So welcome to Mickey and My Craft. I'm Hilda, your host. Welcome to all the subscribers. I hope you're doing okay. It's either good evening or good morning whenever you're watching this video. Today I'm going to do a quick product review. It's nothing to deal with diamond painting, nothing to deal with cross stitch. It has to deal with your hands. Some of you have commented me either in the live with Johnny, Annie, Johnny and Friends, or in the videos below that you like the colors of my nails. And I found these are nail wraps. I used to use press on nails, or like we call it, like Puerto Ricans, we call it fake nails. But with all this, has to be careful with those press on nail, because they tend to weaken your natural nails. So, and two of my nails, this one and this one, yeah, that one from that finger, they tend to grow like broken, on the side or in the middle. And I just cut in real deep and give it some treatment, some oil, vitamin E, and then put the nail wrap to protect them, because I'm gonna see this one happens the same thing. And I did what I just told you about these ones, and it's growing okay. So, but I usually cut it every 2 weeks, my nails, because I take biotin for my hair and my nails too. But and they tend to grow fast, and I don't how you say it, I don't like it too long because of Mickey. I don't wanna, so these ones, I forgot to get it. Hold on just a second, okay? Sorry about the shaking of the camera. Shake, shake, shake. Shake the camera. Shake the camera. This one comes from a set of 14 nail wraps that I bought on Amazon. Yes, on Amazon, okay? But I'm running out. Like these dark colors, I like to use them for the fall and winter. I only have these two left. And I usually change colors every 2 weeks. Right now I have green. We are in the summer. Everything is greeny and stuff like that. And I only have these two left. And this one, these 14 packs for $12.99. And they last as long as you want it, either a week or 2 weeks. What do I do to last me 2 weeks? I use this. A clear coat on top of them. Well, so when I did these ones this past weekend, I put a coat. Now when next weekend comes in, I put another coat. And that's it. And only peels a little bit over here. But for the rest, they're okay. So, and here is my kit to do my manicure. And I had this buffer because you gotta buffer your nail on top of it. Even if you use you need to use pure acetone to take this off. So even if you do that, you still have a little bit of glue on top, and you need to buffer. Plus that takes out dead cells that you have. I only have one of this, and sometimes I use it even for the resin to file the edges. So I needed more than this. So let's go first with this. So I got a set. I'm gonna post a link. I don't know how much it cost me. If you wait for a moment, I can tell you the amount of money that it cost me. I'm sorry if I'm taking too long. $5.99 for this set. The set of the new nail wraps cost $12.99. So, you know, for $20 or less, and you get, you know, all these buffers, which are good. They don't break, you know, and you get 6 of them. You get 6 of these buffers. Okay, these Party Soft, but all 1, 2, 3, 4 size are for buffing your nails. Okay, and then you get all these files, which are good, you know, and I can't even, you get 6 on that package. For $5.99, I cannot ask no more. And I ordered this, I believe was Saturday or Sunday, and I got them yesterday, and yesterday was what, Monday. When I'm filming this, it's Tuesday. Tonight is Annie Johnny and friends. We're gonna have so much fun. You are invited. Come on. Here are the new set of nail wrappers. I'm gonna tell you something. I heard a lot about Color Street. Well, the problem that I have is, for what you pay for one set, you pay for 14 sets. And it does the same thing. So let's get on it. Let's see what colors do I got in here. And I like the fact that, you know, you get enough for your nail. You still have some left. Come on. Well, I'm not gonna keep them in here anyway. So here they are. Supposedly last 7 days, but if you put a coat of this, it's gonna last you another week at least. And I deal with a lot of water because I gotta watch Mickey stuff and I gotta wash the dishes, even though my husband do the other stuff. But I gotta wash the dishes, and you know, I'm dealing with Mickey all day. You see, you got some over here. This one I can use it during the summer. This one seems, oh, French manicure. I gotta see the instructions on this. They all say French manicures. So it tells you the instructions on the back. Choose well, it tells you over here you have to use a UV seal. You gotta put them under the UV. I have the lamps for the resin, but what I'm gonna try to use this on top of it, because they have all kinds of nice colors over here. I like these ones because Like you can put a nail, one nail of the entire color. That's neat. I like the green ones. I like these brown ones. They're pretty. Take a look at them. Put you closer. There's some purple ones that I can use now. And there's these one, the golden ones. Let me put the purple ones. Where are they? Here they are. I like these browns. Except for this one I can use it for Christmas time. I can pretty much use the rest of them because I needed some to finish the summer. Let's see what this pack has. I like this pink one. I like this other purple one. Let me see what the pack looks like inside. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay, yes. It's like these ones. It's like these ones. And they have a film on top of them that so they don't get dry. So yes. I like this. So I'm gonna try one probably next week. I like this kind of pinkish purple one. Probably do that one. And look at this one with different shades of purple and pink. Take a look at these ones for the tip only. These ones are appropriate. This one is appropriate for the fall. This one can be used now in the summer. And these ones. I like them. I did like them. I like the colors. So next time I'm gonna do these ones, and I'm going to let you know how it works out with the nail polish without doing the UV light that they were talking about. I'm gonna put this aside. So this is it. This is the next one I was gonna use, but I'm gonna change. These ones are gonna be for the fall and the winter. These for New Year's. These are black. So there are different companies out there, and you can choose whatever shades you want, but they only cost $12.99. I'm sorry, for 14 packs. $12.99. This one I still have. I do it every 2 weeks. 2, 4, 6, 8 packs, right? And let me see, when was it that I bought them? I'll let you know real quick. God, I know I didn't buy it last year. Oh yes. Oh yes, I bought them on March, and it still have 8 packs, and it comes 14 for $12.99. 14 cheeks, nail stickers or nail wraps. I call them nail wraps for $12.99. Here it is. These are these ones. and I still have 8 packs plus the leftover, because I keep the leftover just in case. So this is it. I hope this helped you, especially for all the boomers that like to be, still we like to be pretty, even though the video the other day when I came out of bed so pissed about the situation with Chapman and Biden and all these a-holes that they were insulting him. I look like I just came out of an asylum. But anyway, we still like to be pretty, okay? We still like, you know, to fix ourselves, and this is a good choice, because the press-on nails, no, not for all this. It won't work. Okay, well, thank you for watching. Here is the buffers with the nail files. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Welcome to the all subscribers, and much love and peace.